Pour a generous amount of olive oil over the tire. No mechanic will tell you this tire shop secret. Prepare a glass bowl and pour in a good amount of oil. The oil smooths the surface, enhances the color, and creates a light protective layer that makes the tire look well maintained. Then add 3 pumps of dish soap, which helps remove dirt and allows the mixture to spread more evenly. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a smooth, consistent texture. Now take a regular sponge, apply a small amount of the mixture, and spread it evenly over the tire, reaching every corner. Let it sit for a moment so it can absorb and work on the surface. Then take a microfiber cloth and buff it in to achieve an even, streak-free finish. You'll see a huge difference almost instantly. The tire will become darker, more defined, and look like new. But that's not all. You can also use this mixture on plastic parts of your car, like trims, to restore their shine and fresh appearance. It's a simple trick that delivers a professional detailing effect without spending money. Very few drivers know this trick for foggy headlights. Spray the surface with WD-40. Then apply a little baby shampoo to a paintbrush. Rub it thoroughly onto the headlight. Take small paper shavings from cardboard and gently wipe the surface with them. Use a microfiber cloth to remove the excess and polish everything. The headlight will become noticeably cleaner and clearer. This simple trick completely transformed my car. Take a regular tampon and spray it with your favorite perfume. Hang it on the rearview mirror or tie it to the gear shift. The tampon absorbs the scent and releases it slowly, filling the car with a pleasant, fresh fragrance. Easy and inexpensive. All you need is a pot lid to clean your car's upholstery. You've probably never tried such a simple trick. With it, you can freshen up your car's interior quickly and without spending money. Grab a large bowl, add a laundry detergent pod. The ingredients will help remove dirt and leave the upholstery smelling fresh. Pour in warm water. Wait for the pod to dissolve completely and mix it well to create a soapy foam. Take a small cloth and soak it in the mixture. Wring out the excess water thoroughly so it's just damp. Clean the car in sections. Lay the cloth over the upholstery. Place the pot lid on top. It's the key to this trick. Fold the edges of the cloth toward the center and grip them with the lid's handle so it stays tight. Clean the upholstery using circular motions, moving the lid across the surface. If the cloth dries out, simply soak it again and repeat on other areas. Your upholstery will look and smell fresh, giving your car a showroom feel. You'll save money on expensive cleaning at car washes and detailing services. I always keep a bar of soap in the car. Let me show you a few reasons why it's worth having it on hand. A regular bar of soap can not only increase driving comfort, but also improve your safety. You've probably had your wipers start squeaking or not clear water from the windshield properly. All you need to do is rub the surface of the blades thoroughly with the bar of soap. After that, they'll work much better. And if the problem comes back, just use the soap again. If you have trouble inserting your key into the lock, that's easy to fix too. Rub the key on the bar of soap, then spread a thin layer over its surface. The key will slide into the lock without any resistance. Soap also works great on door seals. Open the door and rub the rubber seals with the soap. It creates a thin, protective layer that reduces friction and prevents the rubber from sticking to the car body. Thanks to that, the doors open smoothly and without resistance, and the seals are better protected all year round. You can leave a bar of soap or a small piece somewhere in the car, for example, in the side door or other compartments. It works as a natural air freshener, providing a fresh, pleasant scent inside the vehicle. Rub a thin layer of soap on the inside of your windows, then polish it with a microfiber cloth. This way, you'll forget about foggy windows from the inside. One bar of soap, so many uses. Simple, effective, and no extra cost. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth, preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners. You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages. You should always keep this in your car. Just spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe these spots. Dirt from shoes often collects on the lower door sills and plastic trim. WD-40 makes the grime disappear quickly and restores the shine to the plastics. This trick is perfect for a quick interior refresh. In winter, I always keep toothpaste in the car. It's the cheapest way to get rid of an annoying problem. Although it sounds strange, toothpaste has a brilliant application that will be useful for drivers. Winter is a challenging time for drivers. Snow removal from the car, frozen locks, and fogged up windows. Limited visibility on the road can lead to accidents. It turns out that ordinary toothpaste can solve the annoying problem. All you need is to prepare a microfiber cloth. It's important for it to be clean and new. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it, then rub it onto the inner part of the windshield. Start from the front, spreading it evenly. Then, with the clean side of the cloth, begin to polish. A thin layer of paste will settle on the windshield. Its action will prevent the windows from fogging up. It's always worth having a tube in the car. Additionally, toothpaste has polishing properties. It helps to remove micro scratches that occur on the windows during driving. Do you drive a lot? No one ever told you about this ancient tradition. Take a small pouch and fill it with a sprig of rosemary, 3 coffee beans, and 1 bay leaf. Seal it tightly and place it somewhere visible. For centuries, people have used this to naturally purify the air and attract protection and good fortune while traveling.